Hello, welcome to Carlisle Road, which is just in Brampton. We're on the main road into Brampton, so it's a busy street, but you can see just up there in the distance, that's our way into the town centre, where we're going to find lots of amenities. And then out in that direction, you join the main road out to Carlisle or Newcastle, depending on your direction of travel. We've got a beautiful sandstone double-fronted house here, which we're going to bring you in and show you. It's almost ready, so there's one or two little cleaning items have been left out as we go around while I do this video with you. But this is a 3-bed sandstone property, as I say, with really good accommodation. So this is the first of 2 receptions, which you access just coming in off the hallway. So good little second room, occasional room. Perhaps if you've got children, it could be a playroom. And then we come into the main reception here, which is a good size, plenty of room in here for 3-piece suite and lounge furniture. We've got a really nice solid fuel burner there in the hearth. There's a TV bracket for you to attach your television, and then we've got a little bit of storage in the understairs area there. Okay, so that's reception 2. We'll then come into the kitchen. We're just finishing off on a couple of jobs on the kitchen, which is why the drawers are currently out from underneath the sink. There they are there. But it's a beautiful kitchen, nicely fitted out, nice butcher's block work surface, lovely ceramic double bowl sink. Cooking in here is by gas range, and you've got some wall cabinets there for extra storage. And we look out to the back of the property here. There is no parking, unfortunately, so you're going to have to, if you've got a car, you park on the road opposite. There's plenty of spaces, but it is just one little drawback on the property. We come in here, we've got a little pantry room, so a great place for storage, perhaps for putting prams and bikes and all the other things that you may need. So we'll take a look upstairs. I describe this house as having a little bit of shabby chic about it. So you've got part stripped balustrades and doors, but it does all key together nicely. So we'll show you this bedroom to begin with. Each of the 3 bedrooms are doubles. This one looks out to the front of the property. And in this room, we also have a really useful WC and wash hand basin, which serves this bedroom. So you'd probably take this as your master. Next biggest room is just next to us. Again, looking out to the front of the property onto the main street. And there we have another good sized double. If anything, it might even be a wee bit bigger than the one with the ensuite. And you have a storage cupboard, which is still just getting the final coat of paint. So plenty of places to keep clothes and store away items. Coming into the 3rd bedroom. This is the smallest of the 3, but easily big enough as a double. And this one looks out to the back of the property. Again, unfortunately, none of that car park is actually to do with this house. That belongs to the bungalow you can see there to the left. But there you go, 3 double bedrooms. And then finally to show you is this amazing bathroom. It really is a stunning looking room. So there you go, you've got a wonderful freestanding bath. You have a shower with a thermostatic valve shower, rainfall shower head over it. Got a low-level WC, and we have a pedestal wash hand basin. What I really like about this room is that exposed stone wall. So really a lovely room. The house is really interesting. It's very spacious. We are no more than a 2-3 minute walk into Brampton town centre, where you find a huge range of amenities, and the property is now come on for rental and is available at Hunters. So if you'd like to view, do please call.